Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to prepare materials early for the brand new Modular Street Festival in Heartopia before it officially starts tomorrow morning, May 9th. And in this new festival, we will probably get several new cooking recipes, and the main recipes currently expected are this one. There are brick shaved ice, and then fruit pie, and then mushroom burger, and then brick fun packets. And the recipe names might still change when the update officially released tomorrow. And here's the important part. 3 out of those 4 recipes may also branch into more recipe later, so the total number of recipes could reach around 23 recipes in total. That means preparing materials now is super important if you want to craft everything quickly on day 1. So first, just start collecting fruits right now, especially apples, mandarins, blueberries, and raspberries. And then also you can collect every type of mushroom. And then after that, just go to the Chef Massimo and buy butter and eggs for the preparations. And last, you can also start planting pineapples, strawberries, grapes, and wheat as soon as possible because these crops may take quite a long time to grow. So if you plant them now, you will already have the materials ready when the festival begins tomorrow. So just to collect any fruits, any mushroom, and then plant crops and buy the ingredients to prepare materials early for the Modular Street Festival tomorrow. And okay, that's it. That's all for the preparations guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.